Hi, everybody. I want to give you an overview of this week's module, module two, week one. What we're going to be doing this week is focusing on your purpose statement and your research questions. We'll have a large class meeting on October 31st. Dressing up is certainly okay with me. And what I'm going to do right now is just walk you through this week's module. You'll see here that there are 4 readings. Cresswell and Cresswell talk about purpose statement and research questions, so those 2 chapters. There's a short reading from Roberts and Hyatt. You'll see it's only pages 109 to 112. And then Dr. Brown has some example research purposes and questions delineated by methods. You want to take a look at those. And then in the dissertation template, there is what's called Appendix B. And that appendix has a purpose statement written in it. It's a polished one. It's from a completed dissertation. But what it will do is give you an example of the steps that you can go through to create a purpose statement. And you'll see this video here is really helpful in talking about or helping you understand the focus or the alignment of the components of chapter 1. You really want to make sure that all of those components that you're writing about are aligned and that they all fit together just like a puzzle. So that's what that video talks about. You'll see that there are 2 optional readings in a video, one for qualitative research questions, and one is a video on quantitative research plan. Those are explored a little bit more in the next module, but if you wanted to get a jump start on it, you can look at those optional readings and videos. You'll also see that there are 3 assignments. One is to consider who might be a good fit to serve as your advisor. We'll talk a little bit more about that on October 31st, but that may be something you just want to consider as you go through the week. And we'll also, you'll submit a draft of your purpose statement and your research questions in the dissertation template. And you'll do that right below here where it says problem statement and research questions. And the final thing that you'll do in this module is to log your seat time. You'll submit that at the end of the course, but you'll want to make sure that you're logging that time and that you compare it to last week. And so that is module 2, week 1. And I look forward to seeing you on Halloween.